What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And on today's video we have another accessory, tempered glass screen protector for the OnePlus 7 Pro. Now I know a lot of you guys don't like to buy expensive screen protectors like the Whitestone Dome. That is the best screen protector you can get for any phone, period. But for those who are more budget minded, this is the OUNIER OnePlus 7 Pro screen protector. Picked this up on Amazon for about $9.89 with Prime shipping. This is just like a regular typical screen protector, nothing too fancy about this, but it is $10. So let's go ahead and unbox this and see what comes inside the package. Boom. So inside the package we do have our tempered glass screen protector here. It is full adhesive. I do not see a matrix dot effect there, so it is full adhesive, and you do have that black border. I stand corrected, I do see a little bit of that matrix dot effect on this one, so see how that goes. And you do get a lifetime warranty right there with a cute little panda, and your screen protector accessories. Here you go. Let's put this aside. Now we currently have on the OnePlus 7 Pro the bootleg Whitestone Dome here. Now I don't know if this is a bug or it's the actual screen protector, but you see over here in the corner, if I press this way over here in the corner, it activates. Let's zoom in there. It activates the back button. This has become very annoying because it just ghostly, even if I touch it here, I'm in the web page or in watching YouTube video or something, it automatically back out of there, and it becomes very annoying. But I don't know if it's the screen protector itself or it might be a bug with OnePlus 7. If any of you guys out there are facing the same issue, hit me up in the comment section below, and hopefully we can address this with OnePlus and get that fixed. But this is a bootleg Whitestone Dome screen protector here, and we're just gonna remove it, and voila, it's gone. So basically it's just like the Whitestone Dome. It doesn't leave no residue or anything on your screen, so that is good. Let's go ahead and open these screen accessories and give the phone a quick wipe down. Earlier I did say it was full adhesive. It's not full adhesive. I think the adhesive is only around the black border of the screen because this does have that matrix dot effect. But I had purchased one earlier when the phone first came out, and it actually worked pretty well. I was surprised with it. It did not fall off or anything like that. The fingerprint sensor worked and everything, and it actually ended up being pretty good. As you can see, this one looks pretty good itself too, and the fingerprint reader works just as normal, and the screen looks pretty good itself. Bam, look at that. It looks pretty decent. It is case friendly. I do have the bootleg fabric case here for the OnePlus 7 Pro, and it does work pretty good. So there you have it, guys. This is the OUNIER screen protector for the OnePlus 7 Pro. If you don't want to spend boo-boo bucks on the screen protector and you really just like using these here from Amazon, this one's available on Amazon. Link will be in the description below. It does have Prime shipping, so you'll get it in about 1 or 2 days, which is awesome. This is the route you can go. You don't have to spend $50, $30 for a screen protector, and these tend to work pretty well now too. And you can see, bam, the fingerprint reader works, so nothing to worry about there. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions in regarding this screen protector, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching again. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.